Hello students, welcome to Sonu's Learning World. Today we are discussing exercise 9.1 of some applications of trigonometry chapter class 10. Let's move on to the first question. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree. That is a question. Okay, the figure is already given in the question also. Okay, so students, what is the question? A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope. So, what is a rope? This is our rope. He is climbing a rope. This is our rope. Okay, so he is climbing a rope. Okay, next, which is tightly stretched and tied from the top. Okay, this rope is tightly stretched and it is stretched and it is tied from the top of a vertical pole. Vertical pole means it is 90 degrees. So this is our vertical pole. This is our rope and this rope is being tied at the top. Okay, of a vertical pole to the ground. Okay, from here to here. This is our vertical pole. Okay, so find the height of the pole. We have to find the height of the pole. If the angle made by the rope, if the angle made, this is our rope. So this is our rope. If the angle made by the rope with the ground level. So this is a ground level. So this is a ground and this is the rope. So angle in between the ground and the rope is 30 degree. Okay students, hope you understood the question. So in some questions we won't get the figure, so we have to draw the figure by ourselves. Okay, so this question is okay. The circus artist is climbing. Okay, he is climbing this 20-meter rope which is stretched and tied from the top. This is our vertical pole. It is stretched from the tied from the top. Okay, it is been tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Okay, so next is find the height of the pole. We have to find the height of the pole. That is, we have to find AB. Okay, we have to find AB, and if the angle made by the rope, so okay, so if the angle made by the rope means, so this is a rope. If the angle made by the rope to the ground level, so this is ground level, that is 30 degree. Okay students, that is our question. So let's do this is easy question. So here this is our triangle. So in triangle ABC, okay, we are taking this triangle ABC. Okay, so first we can take what we have to find. We have to find AB. So I am taking AB first. So AB by what is given in the question? AC is given in the question. AB by AC. AB by AC is, what is AB students? AB is P. Divided by what is AC? AC is hypotenuse. Okay, so what is P by H? P by H P. No, so P by H is sine theta. So instead of P by H we can write sine theta. So what is AB? AB we have to find, and what is AC? AC is 20. Okay students, so here theta is 30. So I am going to substitute 30 degree here. So AB by 20. Okay, so what is sine 30? AB by 20 is equal to sine 30. We know that is 1 by 2. So next is cross multiplication. 2AB is equal to 20. So AB is equal to 20 by 2. That is 10 meter. So we got the value of AB. That is 10 meter. Okay students. Next question, question number 2. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. Okay. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. Okay, students, there is a tree. Okay, so we have a tree. Okay, we have a tree. Let this be the tree. Okay, so and what happened? Due to storm, what happened? It broke. So it broke like this. Okay, it is like it has broken like this. And what is the next part of the question? Broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground. Okay, so this is a broken part. This is a tree. Okay, students, this is a tree. So this is a broken part and the broken part touches the ground. Okay, which means that this broken part touches the ground. It touches the ground. It is like this. Okay, making an angle 30 degree with it. Making an angle 30 degree with it means, so this broken part makes an angle 30 degree with the ground. Okay, students, so this is the line. So this is a broken part, it touches the ground and it makes an angle 30 degree with the ground. Okay, so students, next is the distance between the foot of the tree. So this is the foot of the tree. Okay, this is a foot of the tree. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground. Okay, this is a point where the top touches the ground, no? So the distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top of the tree touches the ground is 8 meters. So we got this much distance, that is 8 meters. So find the height of the tree. So what we have to find? We have to find the height of this full tree. So this is what we have to find. Okay, first let us draw the diagram. So let this be our tree. Okay, so I am taking it as AB. Let AB be our tree. Okay, so at a point C it is broken. So let this BZ part, I am taking this BZ part and I am bending it and as if it is touching the ground. Okay, so now this part, I am taking this part and it got bent towards the ground. So now this is B point now, because from the top touches the ground. Okay, so this is our B. This is also B and this AB is our tree. Okay, next is it makes an angle 30 degrees. So we have read that it makes an angle 30 degree here. Okay, so next is, because it is given in the question, top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. Okay, next is, this is given as 8 meters. So we have this much distance, that is, this is 8 meters. Okay. So let the total, let the full distance, let the total length of the tree be y. Okay, which means that let AB is equal to y. Okay, we have to find AB. Okay, so students, first let us take the first triangle. So this is our triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC. Okay. So we are taking the triangle ABC. What is given? AB is given. So I am taking AB by AC. AC is not given in the question because we have to find AB. So if we are finding AC and this BC, we can find the total length of the tree. Okay, students. So because AC plus BC is the full length of the tree. So we have to find AC here, then we have to find BC. This BC distance, this is same as this BC distance because this part is bending and it is touching the ground. So that's why we are taking AB which is given and AC we have to find. That is equal to, what is AB? AB is the base. So base by, what is AC? AC is the perpendicular. So we know PBP by HHB. I think in the previous question here I wrote HHB. So students, it is HHB. Sorry for the mistake. Okay. So next is PBP divided by HHP. So here it is P by B. So P by B, this is here, but it is opposite. So this is tan theta. So if it is B by P, what we have to take? We have to take cot theta. Okay. So what is AB? AB is 8. 8 by what is AC? We have to find AC. So 8 by AC is equal to cot 30 degree. Okay. So what is cot 30 degree? It's root 3. So 8 by AC is equal to root 3. So what is the value of AC? Therefore AC is 8 by root 3. It is in meter. So it is meter. Okay. So it is, where is the question? 8 meter. So it is 8 by root 3 meter. So we got AC. What we have to find? So here we got 8 by root 3. We have to find this BC. Here we can, how can we find the length of BC? We have to form a ratio with BC and any of the non-sides. Okay. So we get the value of BC. So let us find in triangle ABC. I am taking this triangle ABC. So what we have to find? We have to find AB. What is given? Sorry, we have to find BC. What is given? AB is given. So AB by, we have to find BC. So BC is equal to, what is AB? It is base. What is BC? BC is hypotenuse. Okay. So it is B by H. B by H. It is cos. Okay, students. So I am taking cos theta is equal to, what is AB? AB is 8. 8 by BC. So cos 30 degree is 8 by BC. Okay. So 8 by BC cos 30 is root 3 by 2. I am substituting root 3 by 2 here. 8 by BC. Cross multiply. 16 is equal to root 3 into BC. So what is the value of BC? BC is equal to 16 by root 3. So therefore BC is equal to 16 by root 3. So students, if it is a rational number coming in the denominator, we have to change it. How can we change it? We can multiply numerator and denominator by root 3. So this will become 16 root 3 by root 3 into root 3 is 3. Okay. So what is our answer? 16 root 3 by 3. Okay. So students, here also at the denominator it is root 3. So here also we can change into root 3 by root 3 into root 3. So it is 8 root 3 by 3 meter. This is meter. Okay. So we got BC and we got AC. So this full length, that is Y, is AC plus BC. So we can add this AC and this BC to find the length of the tree. Therefore, height of the tree is equal to Y, that is equal to AC plus BC. What is AC? AC is 8 root 3 by 3 plus 16 root 3 by 3. Okay. So 8 plus 16, that is 24 root 3 by 3. Okay. So this is our answer, 24 root 3 by 3. Here I can cut 8 3 is 24 off. So I can write 8. So 8 root 3 meter is the height of the tree. So students, if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.